Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford Maverick XL. Coming in this nice velocity blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.5-liter hybrid engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the 4K tow package and the Ford Copilot 360 package. Taking a look at the back here, we got that tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera. We have a nice small-looking bed. When looking at the front here, we have blind spot detection, and moving at the front, we have that nice Ford Maverick grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do have seating for up to 5. We have this nice black cloth interior with some nice textured bits, plenty of door space in the back with black cloth, that nice blue. We do have a nice little storage cubby here and carpeted interior, and of course you do get your storage under the seats. We do get 2 USB-Cs back here, which is new for the 2025 models, and a nice little hook. Taking a look at the back, or the driver's side, we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space. We have our lights, gas cap, and trailer brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 19.3 kilometers. We do have that nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for your screen, voice, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking at our screen now, we do have our modes such as our normal, sport, tow and haul, eco, and your slippery. Such a delay. Anyways, looking here though, we do have our settings such as My View, Fuel Economy, Towing, Status Info, Vehicle Maintenance, Audio, Phone, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select, parking brake, traction, more storage, and cup holders. Tons of storage down here with the 12-volt USB and USB-C. Leather up center console with tons more storage. Got a nice new looking center here with your volume, playback, play forward. You have your comm screen, hazards, your max temp, and your auto hold, which is pretty nice. Got all your climate controls at the bottom right here, and storage below, storage right here. And now looking at our main screen here, we do have our audio, phone, settings, features, and apps with a Wi-Fi hotspot for your audio. Oh my god. You do get your radio, AM, FM, you get Sirius XM and Bluetooth capabilities. Got your phone. We have your settings such as all your usual ones, Sirius XM settings, your features of the vehicle, such as your towing, and any apps you may have downloaded, such as your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, will all be right there. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RA09891, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.